Welcome back to Recycle and Save. We've got another fresh swap meet find. 1985 KDX 200. It's all here. Hasn't been treated the best. Pretty much bone stock, so if you need the seat or the exhaust or any of the other components, it's even a wheel balancer on the rear tire. Tires are not great, rims are decent, hubs are good, spokes all seem pretty reasonably usable. The motor ran really strong. We did have to put a different carb on it that we had, and now it runs or idles, and it runs through the gears really strongly. So the clutch is decent. Linkage is pretty tight for a bike this old, and it has a V-force reed induction box. Let me see if I can actually get it started right now. It's quiet enough that I think I can do it here. Right up. Like I said, it runs right through the gears. Let us know what you need for your bike. Either check our eBay store, it'll hold me down below, or you can text us. You can text me at 715-370-6671. Let us know what you're looking for parts and what bike you've got, and hopefully we can help get a bunch of bikes running off this one, or if somebody wants to try and put this one back together. Thanks for looking.